Welcome to This Just In Mini Edition. Hi, my name is Antonia, and today I'm going to unbox this gift I got from the Lion brand. Let's see what we got. We got a nice brochure thing. Okay, look at all these fun colors. Let's see what we got. We got ice cream deluxe. And it looks like cotton candy. This one is like rainbowy and it feels very soft. That one's nice and pink. Ooh, the next one is ice cream cotton blend. These look like different ice cream flavors. I think this one's strawberry. This one looks like orange sherbet. And this one is like blue raspberry or blueberry. Ooh, this one looks fun. This is called Boing. It looks like comic strips and it's all just so colorful. And I think I got another one. Wow, this one is like a rainbow Boing. Ooh, mandala sparkle. And this one has like glitter in there. It's so cool. Oh, and here's another mandala. Ooh, we have a couple of packages in here. This is the ice cream cotton blend. This looks like doll's hair. Maybe I can make a doll and the yarn could be used for the hair. Ooh, and we have another ice cream deluxe, and this one's rainbow. And lastly, we have a whole thing of Boing. I like Boing, it's springy. Should I sing like Shira? Oh! Some of the things I've been trying to make were a tree hugger, bath mat, a doll with yarn hair, and a shawl. These are my ice cream deluxe, which I think I could make a bath towel with them. And these are mandala sparkles, which will be nice for a nice shawl just like Samantha's, because it's soft and it would be comfortable, and it's good enough for the lady to wear it as a scarf. And this I think would be good for doll hair because it's really realistic. So I can make a doll for my friends or my sister. And last but not least, is all this Boing. I think I can make a tree hugger with that, and it would be nice decoration. I got a lot of yarn here. Thank you, Lion Brand, for sending me this yarn. I really appreciate it, and I hope to get knitting right away when I get home.